Welcome back guys to another tutorial. In this tutorial today I'll show you how to do a customer return on Spark Driver. Let's get into it right now. As you can see on the screen, I was getting paid $17 just to do this return. When you go to the bottom, this is all you know is a return. It's gonna say customer return, and it is 2 stop. It's gonna be 5 miles, and it's gonna be around 20 minutes to get it done, so it's not bad. Anyway, that's the first time I'm getting paid that much. I never see anything like that before. Most of the time you see $8, $10. I would like to know how much you're getting paid in your area. Just leave it in the comment section below. So to get started with the trip, you're just gonna say start trips. I want you to scroll down a little bit and to see how many items you're gonna get. As you can see, I only have one item I'm gonna get from the customer. So if you see you're gonna get a bunch of items for return, you can just go ahead and cancel it if you don't want it. So I'm just gonna keep it. I'm just gonna click start trip. After start trip, it's gonna take me right here where I'm gonna able to click navigate. So when you navigate, it's not gonna take you to the Walmart, it's gonna take you to the customer house. When you get to the customer house, you're gonna click confirm arrival. Most of the time customer are gonna leave the package outside. Is gonna have a barcode, is customer information on it. So as you can see, this is the box I'm gonna take from this customer. I'm not gonna get closer. I don't wanna put the customer information out. This is all it's gonna look like most of the time. But if it's the customer not gonna leave the package outside, you're just gonna go ahead and knock the door and tell them this is Spark Drive from Walmart and you're here for a return, and they're gonna give it to you. After confirm arrival, after that you're just gonna click start scanning. So as I tell you in the beginning, there is a barcode in the paper. Is this barcode you're just gonna go scan. After you finish scanning the barcode, you're just gonna click done scan. You're not gonna see this because this one black it, but it's gonna say done scanning, and it's gonna ask you to check the item you just pick it up. If there's multiple items, you're just gonna click all the boxes. After you finish click the box, you're just gonna click confirm items. After that, you're just gonna click complete pickup. The screen is gonna be like this, but you're gonna do the same thing you do when you navigate to the customer house. You're just gonna click navigate. When you get to the Walmart, you're just gonna say confirm arrival. Where you say parking spot, you're gonna click select, and you're gonna select a spot you in. If you're in spot 1, spot 2, I'm in spot 2. I'm just gonna go ahead and click spot 2 and then click save. And after that, a Walmart associate gonna come and is gonna ask you for a barcode, and you're gonna click where you say show associate return barcode. You're just gonna click open, and it's gonna open like that, and the Walmart associate gonna go ahead and scan this barcode. Soon as the Walmart associate say everything is okay, you just close it, and after that you complete return. This is all you make, $17. You can see they put it inside. If you have any question about return, just let me know in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.